Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's see a little plane action going on there. Take out the Mojave for the first time, guys. 6S. We got you've seen the videos. I did an unboxing of the electronics I put in it with a Max6 and a 1650 kV motor. Hobbywing, SpeedTek RC servo, and I put a 8,000 milliamp 6S LiPo in there, so good size battery. So let's turn this bad boy on. I think it was I put it here somewhere to where it would be easy to get to. It goes right here in front. There, 6 beeps. Oh, SpeedTek RC. It's going the wrong way. Let's do some reverse. Okay. I know the throttle was fine, so let's go out and see what she can do, huh? Go test her out, get sure it's going straight. First time on the ground, guys. He's a beast. There's some rocks out here, so oh yeah. I think I have a 19 tooth pinion on here, so it's not too big, not too small. It definitely gets up and goes. Gotta be out there, a lot of ground squirrel holes out there. Brakes feel all right. Yeah, that's where Earl needs to come out here and do his speed runs out here. A pretty big field. We're trying to get that 100 miles an hour. There's Mojave. This is the kind of bashing I like to do, guys. Little jumps, flat land, just ripping it up. And the car is just, oh, first rollover, and it lands it. Oh, thing is just fast. I don't have no TSM on here. This thing just handles so nice. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm smiling ear to ear. Try not to beat it up too bad though, the first run. Oh yeah. This thing's it's not a big launcher, right? Because it catches air, but whew, Oh. We'll have to put the GPS on it next time and get a little speed. I think it might need to be geared. I don't know. This is pretty fun right here, right now. So we'll see. But see, I didn't even turn the fan on. Could probably see what the fan's doing here. Or the ESC's doing, I mean. Ah, thing just runs. Oh! Ah, first rollover. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, she's a little warm. She's not burning hot, but she's warm. Turn the fans on. Got a nice little fan system in there. See if they hold up. These rocks. Mojave, they throw a lot of dirt inside the chassis. Oh, top of that rock right in the middle. Oh, it's way out there. Come back here. Oh. Ah. Yeah, get up. All right, guys. Whew. Just wanted to come out and do a test run with it real quick. I also have the M2C double lock hubs on there right now, the hexes. So, because from what I understand from everybody else, the right rear falls off all the time and strips the wheel. So I got those before I even ran it. So I wouldn't waste these nice tires. The tires they're hard. They're soft, but they're hard. So they don't balloon as well, as good as, you know, they don't balloon that much because they're hard, but they're soft enough to grip. I mean, look, tell me that don't grip. So, all right, I'll go over here and check the car. and make sure I didn't bring my temperature gun. I didn't bring anything. So just a quick test. Test on the battery. The battery kind of charged funny, but I did buy it used, so. I think we'll do. Oh yeah, you can see them bad boys. They're not pizza cutters, but they get up there and get pretty skinny. So I want to say it's doing a good 50 miles an hour at least, so, which is plenty fast enough for me bashing in the dirt, guys. Yeah, see how the crap that gets in there. Fans are going. So far, these are pretty good fans. A good fan mount that came with it. The DXKY. I got them on Amazon. Pretty cool. Yeah, those cooled that off completely. It was warm to the touch. Now it's not even warm. So kind of messy, as you can tell. But other than that, guys, this thing is freaking awesome. Love it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and y'all have a great day.